All right, now that we've taken a quick look at the remote and the drone itself, thank you for helping out there. We have goggles, stuff in here. Look at this. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. And we like stuff on this channel, don't we? Electronic stuff. So there is this, I am guessing, is going to be the charger. And the charger, and one of the batteries is already connected to the charger. It does not have puffy batteries, and that's very important. This, I don't know what this is. It's a LiPo pack. It tells me it is a LiPo pack. Do you open this thing? Do you press buttons to open it?
There's a thing.
There's a thing here to charge it, I guess. That's for the charging. I'm not going to mess with that. Yeah, I'm not going to mess with that at all. This thing comes with a crazy amount of batteries in here. I've never...
Likey